Would you get on an airplane if you knew that 5% of the time the plane would not land safely? Well, of course not. In a decision that I just don't understand, the federal government has decided that it's perfectly fine for nursing homes to make medication errors up to 5% of the times without penalty. My name is David Terry, and I'm an attorney who handles nursing home abuse and neglect cases that result in serious injury and wrongful death. And in nearly 25 years of handling these cases, I've seen more medication errors than I can remember. To be fair, most medication errors do not result in death. However, that does not excuse them. So in this video, I'm going to give you 2 recommendations on what you should do if your loved one is the victim of a medication error at a nursing home. So first, if there was serious injury or death from receiving the wrong medication or too much medication, you need to take immediate action. Contact the state agency in your state that's responsible for nursing homes. In Missouri, it's the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services. In Illinois, it's the Illinois Department of Public Health. Now, while they may have different names, every state has one of these agencies. And by reporting the event to them, they can investigate the facility and take enforcement action. In that situation, you should also contact an experienced nursing home abuse attorney right away. These cases involve significant public health issues, and the fact that a nursing home seriously injured or killed one of their residents in a medication error is something that must be investigated by a lawyer, and if negligence is proven, it should be compensated as well. Second, what if the medication error occurs but there's no injury? And thankfully, this is the majority of medication error cases. But in my opinion, even if there was no injury, you should still report it to the state. Now, why is that? Because giving one resident another resident's medication, or too much or too little of a medication, is just negligent, and it reveals dangerous gaps in their medication management systems. The fact that the nursing home got lucky there, that there wasn't a serious injury or death, does not excuse their negligence. You should report that event so that you can prevent another family from experiencing a tragedy. The state needs to know that this facility is making this kind of errors. So remember, medication errors like this are preventable. Nursing homes have protocols in place to specifically stop this from happening. And when they fail, they need to be held accountable. If you have any questions about your case, I strongly recommend that you reach out to an attorney who handles nursing home negligence and abuse cases.